The shadow bot runs away when you try to shake hands with it. Now how does it do that? Because it has wheels. The morning alarm needs the buzzer, the night lamp requires a light. Now the processor and the sensors are important, but we need output bits and other components to build the robots, which can act like the voice and the body of the robots. Let's take a look at them in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Sai Prakash and this is the series on Robotics Starter Kit. At first we have the buzzer module. Now the buzzer module will work only when the terminals are connected in certain direction. When connected to power and the current passes through it, the discs around it vibrates, and that's how the sound is generated. Next we have the LEDs, the light emitting diodes. This also work when the terminals are connected in one direction. When electricity passes through it, it generates light. Next we have water pump, which is lightweight, which has low noise, consumes less energy, and it is efficient. Now this we will use in hand sanitizer. We can also build other things like coffee or juice dispenser. We also have the BO motor, that is the battery operated motor. It is a geared motor and it is bidirectional. That means the connections can work in both ways. We use this in building robots like the Ninja Spy Bot, the Draco Bot, the Shadow Bot and others. Next we have the DC motor. Now this can make things spin, rotate and twirl. We will use this to build the Doodle Bot for it to draw crazy patterns. These were the output bits. Now other than this, there are other materials also which will help us in building the robots, like the connector wires, sketch pens, mirrors, clay, fans, wheels, axles and so much more. You can have fun building and playing with the robots using all these materials. Now in the next videos, we will see how to build these robots one by one, so keep watching.